What is up, everybody? Go ahead and hit that bell and that subscribe button, and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will be reviewing 3 wonderful packages that I received from the Slime Squeeze, Ruthless Slimes, and Aqua Slime City. So yeah, I will have all of them linked below, just so y'all know. And it is sped up because this video was 31 minutes long and I dropped it down to 16. So can I get a round of applause, please? Anyways, so this is everything that I received in my package from the Slime Squeeze. Little pretzels, a little extra slime card, borax, and my order. So this is the strawberry yogurt pop, and all of their containers come with warning labels. And the strawberry banana yogurt pop was amazing, let me tell y'all. So unfortunately there's not much ASMR in this video like most YouTubers, because I have children and that's not a thing when you have kids. There's no such thing as silence. Anyways, so this smelled amazing. It made me want yogurt. Like, it smelled exactly like yogurt. Like, I swear. And it came with these foam balls in there. Like, they're half. So they almost look like they were balls cut in half. But they don't mess up the slime at all. Like, the slime is absolutely amazing. It's super soft. And it's almost, to me, like it could be a therapy slime. Like something, that you play with whenever you're feeling stressed out or you just want to feel something really soft. Like, it was seriously amazing. I know you guys are probably going to hear amazing a million times, but I can't help it. All these slimes were absolutely wonderful. So yeah, this is that one. It's beautiful. So this next one is Tea Time for 2. And let me tell y'all, this smelled so good. Like, I smell it all the time and play with it all the time. I love the foam beads that were added in here and the sprinkles. It was seriously, the texture is so good. So I'm wondering if it is a school glue. I'm just wondering because I know, like, as I was trying to stretch it, it would start getting stiff just a little bit. But it wasn't, like, stiff enough that it was, like, ripping or anything. So it's perfectly fine for me. But seriously, I love this slime so much. And it smells just like tea. Did I already say that? I probably did. But yeah. And this last one right here was the orange grapefruit blast. Now, I do have the words on the screen so you guys can remember what I said, because I forgot what I was saying. I forgot the name of the slime during recording, and then I remembered after. So yeah. But anyway, this slime was amazing. Okay, I know I'm gonna keep saying that, like I said, but it's super soft. And it is a icy slime, so it was seriously wonderful. Like, it wasn't super wet or anything. It was actually the perfect texture, so that's why I absolutely loved it. And look at that inflation. Like, you can't tell me that ain't the best. Anyway, so on to the next package, which is with Aqua Slime City. And let me just say that they gave me a slime at Partners in Slime in SoCal, and that slime was called Lemon Cookie Crumble, and let me tell y'all, that was the best. Like, I played with that slime so much, and I still do, and it smells amazing. So I recommend their shop. But these are all the extras that I got in their package. So it was a pretty big box, and I was like, ooh, when I got it. So it was full of candy at the bottom. And I am holding my camera up at an angle to see everything inside the box. That's why that said that. But yeah, I got a lot of awesome stuff in this box. But I had such little time to show everything. So, but these are the slimes that I ordered. So yeah, and also, by the way, their packaging, super, like, they made sure that their packaging did not break. Anyway, so this is Ariel's Hair, and it is a icy slime, and it comes with this cute little mermaid charm, and this was so soft. It was like, it definitely was like a really nice cloud slime, but it wasn't a cloud because it was icy. But it felt so good. And I tried to get all the glitter off the top, but it didn't work. It kind of stuck to the container. So the only thing I probably would recommend is maybe using a different container for it. But I'm not sure. You don't have to take my criticism, obviously. But I really love this slime. It was a bit wet, just so you know, but that's not a problem for me. So if you don't like a wet slime, then the slime probably won't be for you. But for me, I loved it. And I love the drizzle of it, because most icy slimes do not have like that really nice drizzle. I mean, icy slimes that I've gotten. So yeah, I loved it. This next one is rainbow chip batter. So this is what caught my eye right here, and it's got these cute little sprinkles. Obviously they kind of sunk to the bottom, and I know what y'all are thinking, that looks melted and it looks sticky. It was not. I did not have to add any type of activator. I didn't have to do anything. I played with it right out of the package, and it's so insane that slime can melt like that right in your hands and not stick to your hands. And that's why I love this texture so much. And I believe it is a glue-all slime because of how thick it was and the way that the texture felt. So this slime was probably my favorite out of their whole package. This last one right here is Pixar Pier. I will insert a photo right here of what it originally looked like. Now, it did have blue in the middle. It's supposed to, but unfortunately the blue mixed. And yes, there was a little piece of hair in there, but it was something minor. It wasn't like super gross, or wasn't like millions of hairs or really dirty or anything. So that's why I continued to play with it. But anyway, it turned into this really pretty green color in the end. And normally I'm not really like a big fan of green, but this one was really nice. And obviously, like, it was amazing. I don't know what other word to use. Like, I swear all of these slimes were absolutely amazing, and I don't regret my purchase at all. So yes, this one was wonderful. Oh, and the reason I didn't use the charm was, yeah, I didn't have time. But anyway, so this is Ruthless Slimes. Unfortunately, the package came ripped with a hole in it. I don't know what happened. I don't know if it got snagged on something or what. But hey, girl, if you're watching this video, please let me know if anything is missing out of the package. But anyway, these are the extras that I received. A little Halloween treat bag, which my kids love, by the way. I also received this squishy, which I still have not opened to look at because I know my son will get a hold of it and it's gonna go missing. So I haven't looked at it yet. But I also received the gel pens. Gel pens come in handy. They're sitting by my computer because they come in handy when I need a pen. And by the way, guys, I received 2 extra slimes in this package, and I did not notice until after I filmed the whole video. I'm so mad because I looked in the package and saw it and I was like, oh, I forgot to film it. But anyway, this is the extra that I received. This is called a diamond. Well, I'll put it up because I don't remember right now. But it did have a hole in the container, unfortunately. Somehow the container completely broke and the piece of it went inside of the actual slime and it fell in there. So I had to like carefully try to take it out without sticking myself with wherever the piece of slime or the piece of container went. So you guys will see like me trying to find it without getting stabbed. But I have to say though, even though it was totally free to me, I didn't really enjoy the slime because it was extremely hard on the hands. I don't really like something that feels uncomfortable. Like, I love the concept and it was seriously a great concept, but I just didn't like it. But as you can see, I found the piece that was missing. Glad I did before it stabbed me. And I do love though that it all stuck together and it wasn't ripping or anything. And I did get stabbed by this little diamond, so my recommendation would be probably don't include that because the end was really sharp. Like I said, I understand the whole concept of it, but yeah, the slime was kind of painful. Beautiful but painful. I guess beauty is pain. Is that a thing? Anyway, so this is Magenta Cream, and oh, this slime was so beautiful, and it did not mix at all while in transit. So the colors are absolutely gorgeous. It smelled like mint, which I was not expecting at all. Like, I thought it was gonna smell like a creamy like fruit smell or something. I definitely was not expecting mint, which I'm totally fine that it smells like mint. I just wasn't expecting it. But I couldn't tell if there was snow in here to make it soft. But I loved it. And it came with this cute little ice cream charm. It was just adorable. So this is actually the slime that caught my eye when ordering from her shop. And I loved it. Okay, so here we have a pineapple cake crunch. It is a slushy bead slime. I have never had a slushy bead slime before. This was absolutely amazing. It was super soft and it smelled just like pineapples. It had pineapple female slices and pineapple charms in there. So it was super fun to play with. I had to take the charms out because they kind of poked my hand, but it was still cool because they were so cute. And there was no bead fallout whatsoever. So this was overall a wonderful slime to play with. So sorry you guys don't get ASMR. Ugh, just sucks. But you will soon, I promise. And last but certainly not least is this cotton candy crunch. This slime was absolutely gorgeous, and it is what caught my eye in her store as well. And she gave me a bag of extra Bingzu beads because just in case the slime wasn't crutchy enough to my liking, which I thought was wonderful. And that is what this little note right here says. And there's also a little teddy bear in there. I was trying to show you guys, but I didn't have much time to really open the bag and show you guys because of my kids in the background. So they kind of needed my attention. So that's why I tried to rush through this part. But overall, this slime was amazing. I really loved the container that it came in. I thought it was just so cute. The little melted popsicle concept, and the colors of the beads are beautiful. And this slime had the best crunches. Like, it was amazing. So now I can see why you guys like Bingzu beads. Oh my god. But listen to that crunch. Anyways, I hope you guys seriously enjoyed this video. Please comment below what you thought, and if you guys want to see more reviews, let me know, and who you guys want to see me review. Please leave some shop suggestions below, and I will order and have those out. Also, this took so long to film, by the way, and edit. I was supposed to have this up a while ago, but I'm just now finally getting it done because I had to shorten it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and to all my Kylie corns, stay awesome.